Hi, this is Andarvan, and I'm here to give you the first tutorial on how to use Abridged Wikia. This first demonstration will show you the current basics for making an article about an Abridger. I am assuming that you already know who you're writing about, and that you have done some of that writing already. To begin, we first need to check to see if there already is an article under the name we want. To do that, we enter the name into the search bar like this. And for those of you who are wondering, Techno is not an actual Abridger, he's just the name I'm using for this demo. So we see that there isn't an article by that name. So we can make one by clicking on the red text right there, and we go into the editing page. Now, for the next steps, you don't really have to do them in any particular order, so I'm just going to go wherever I want, okay? The first thing I'm going to do is make this into an article about an Abridger. To do that, I go down here to this button that says Add Categories. I click on it. Then I just start typing in the word Abridger. You'll probably see as you get closer to getting done with typing it in that the autocomplete will bring it up. You can just click on it there. Once you get it in, hit enter, and it's now a category for this article, and it will appear on the list of Abridgers page. Now I'm going to start putting in the data for this page. Since we don't have an official format yet for what we want on these pages, I'm just going to put this person's history and the projects they've participated in, as well as an info box with some further details, which I'm going to point out the details on that too. So here I go, I put in the history, and now I put in the project. Now for the info box, you can just use the regular info box template. I don't really care right now. We are working on making a special one for Abridgers, but again, we haven't decided on the formatting stuff. But here is one little helpful thing that I have learned you can use for info boxes. When you have an item that has multiple fields, like for this website thing here, this person might have multiple websites, like their YouTube account, or their own individual web page, or their MySpace. You can add these bulletin points by putting in this right here, the open crocodile, LI, close crocodile. And putting those at the front of each one will turn them into a bulletin point at the beginning and make a next line for them. So it's a pretty useful feature. And now to be safe, what I do is I hit the preview button to see what the article will look like when it's posted at this point. I do this to make sure that everything's the way I want it to be, because I just hate to have it that I post it and, oh wait, there's something that shouldn't be there or something's messed up. It's just a way to make sure everything's right. And if it looks fine, you just hit the Save Article button and it should save. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and I hope this helps you out when you make the articles. And best of luck to you.